Good day everyone, my name is Sherry Ann Tolin from BTBT 30 FSMB. So for today, I am going to show you on how to measure the liquid ingredients in dry ingredients accurately. So keep on watching.
But before we proceed, do not forget to wash your hand. It is crucial before cooking to prevent a spread of harmful bacteria and ensure food safety. With your hands, apply soap, scrub for at least 20 seconds, rinse thoroughly, and dry your hands. Use a clean towel to dry your hands completely.